Hey, another video, and it's about electronics, but it also related to musical gear. It's a DC voltage regulator. Actually, my guitar pickup not working, guitar bridge pickup, and I dismount it from its position and trying to recoil my guitar pickup. That's why I need a guitar pickup winder of my own, low cost obviously, homemade, and a voltage regulator to control the winding speed of guitar pickup winder. So let's do it. Here I am using only three components: LM317 transistor, 1K resistor, and 47K potentiometer. It is the circuit diagram of the project. Now I am going to solder everything using this circuit diagram. That's 1K resistor, 47K potentiometer. Now I am connecting the red probe of multimeter to the positive out and black probe to the negative out. Here I am using 12 volt DC adapter for DC power supply and securing the negative wire using the crocodile clip. Here you can see I can regulate the voltage using my DC voltage regulator, which I am gonna use in my pickup winder project to control winding speed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video helpful, and stay tuned for more cutting edge videos.